Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is students. We have a question, June 2010, and question number 4. All right. So question has is one pulley in the middle, and two particles are hanging, one at A and one at B. Okay, two positions. And one question she mentioned most important line is here. One face is smooth, one face is rough, and we can see here clearly mentioned in a line number. Wait a minute. B is smooth. Yeah, A hangs freely, got back with a smooth. So it means this surface is smooth, so no friction at all. And this is rough, so it has friction, so it is not equal to zero. So these 2 points clear. And acceleration of the both particle is so naturally, and he said that A is a like he hangs freely. And because we know that A particle is 0.36, B is 0.24, so heavy particle is, so it will move this way and B will move upwards. So this point, this motion actually, motion. Okay, now I think we can start. An acceleration given by him 0.25. We had the proof tension. Can he mention that? Please apply this data on A first. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. How we can do it? So step number 1. So this force is very, very clear. Okay, I extend. This mass of A is 0.36. So this is becoming 3.6 sine 60. And tension towards pulley for the both particles, and they are always same. You know it. Okay. So this B component weight, I can even write it here. This is what? Oh, wait, I'll make it again. This is 2.4 sine 60. But it has a friction because it is going this way. It is going this way. And it has a friction downwards. Okay. It has no friction. Here friction equals to 0. So I think he said A. So I'm writing for A particle. I'm starting. What is the basic formula we use? Net force equals to ma. Because system is going downwards, so this force is bigger, this force is smaller. I always start from bigger force. 3.6 sine 60 minus tension is equals to ma. Mass of A is 0.36 A, and acceleration given by him is 0.25. So tension negative sign, so what I will do, I will bring tension this side and this whole value left hand side. So it will look like this: 3.6 sine 60 minus 0.36 times to 0.25. So if you type in calculator, it is giving 3.03 newtons. Let me check. Same he asking for? Same. So proved. So first part is proved. Part number 2. Part number finish. First I is over. Part number 2. Part number 2 is almost similar and easy. First I focus on A particle, and now I'll focus on B particle. I'm writing here for B. Same formula I will use. Some students confuse how to start a question. I just as a teacher, always start from this formula, because we're doing Newton's law formula, Newton's law chapter. So that is why. And but how to apply, because system is going upwards. So it means 100% this tension is more, this force is bigger, these both forces are smaller. So I can start from top. Tension minus friction minus 2.4 sine 60 is equals to ma. And what is the mass of B particle? 0.24. And acceleration will be remain same, 0.25. But I have a tension now, I will plug in. So 3.03 and minus 2.4 sine 60 and minus 0.24 into 0.25 and equals to friction. Actually, I brought friction right hand side and I brought this value left hand side. That is why you can see as alone. And now, what is the friction value? All of you know, actually it is mu r, right? So F is equals to mu r. And what is R? R, I'm going to make it here. You can see R is this way. And this is naturally mg cos at 2.4 into cos. So weight is the same 2.4 into cos 60. So this value I'm replacing here, and I'm saying what? I'm saying mu r. So mu times 2.4 cos 60. Whereas left hand side, wait a minute, I'm going to type in calculator. So 3.03 minus 2.4 times 2 sine 60 and minus 0.24 into 0.25, which I'm getting here 0.891539. I write long value, so for accuracy, it will come divide. So mu is becoming 0.891539 divided by 2.4 and cos 60. So if I divide it with that 2.4 into cos 60, so let's see what our value is coming. So mu is coming with me 0.7429. But you know, we have to round it. And while rounding, what is method to do? Students, we have to find, let me check. Did he mention any? Oh, he mentioned here, correct to 2SF. If you not mention, then we will always write 3SF. And 2SF mean I don't want. Don't add from 9 first, wrong. So just see this number. If this number bigger than 4, then we add, otherwise our final answer is 0.74. This is our final answer. I believe you got idea.